Hi everyone, and welcome to our next class. Today we are going to be doing a three-dimensional bug craft. So grab your construction paper and get green pieces of paper. You can also use green foam if you have it. Now pick a color for your caterpillar, and you're also going to need red and black for the ladybug. Now put those colors to the side and grab your green sheets of paper. We are going to use these to make leaves. If you're using your foam, just start to cut it into a leaf-like shape. Try to use the whole piece of foam. If you're using the construction paper, start by grabbing one sheet of paper, fold it in half, and we're going to cut half of a leaf shape out. So when we open it up, it'll reveal the full leaf. Now repeat the same thing on another sheet of paper. Next, using a black marker, we're going to draw a line straight across the middle of the leaf and also some lines horizontally in little U shapes. Once that's done, put it to the side. Now grab your first sheet of colored paper for your caterpillar. We're going to fold it over at about 1 or 1.5 inches and cut this strip out. Next, we're going to roll these up just to measure where we should cut it for the caterpillar's body. Next, we'll use this shape to measure against the other pieces of paper so that they're all equal. Now repeat the same process on the rest of your paper. Once that's done, we're going to glue the pieces together. I used a scrap piece of paper under my pink paper so that I did not get glue on my table. Glue just the corner of your paper, fold it up, and stick it to itself so it creates a round shape. Now repeat this with the rest of your pieces of paper. Now grab a white piece of paper. We're going to use this to make eyeballs. With your black marker, start to draw circles on your white piece of paper to create the eyeballs. Make them as big or small as you want. Next, grab your scissors and we're going to cut these out. Now glue your eyeballs to one piece of your caterpillar. Now grab one of your leaves and start to glue the pieces of the caterpillar onto the leaf. You only need to put glue on the bottom of the pieces. You don't need to glue all of the pieces to each other. Once you're done gluing, it should look something like this. Next, grab a sliver of black paper, cut it into two thin pieces, and we're going to use these as antennas. So just glue them in between the first and second piece of the caterpillar head. And here is our caterpillar. Now let's move on to the ladybug. You can use either the foam leaf or construction paper leaf. I'll be using the foam leaf for the ladybug. Start by folding over your black paper, same as we did before, and cut it out. Now cut two pieces for two ladybugs. Using a spare piece of paper, I'm going to just glue the end and repeat the same thing as before with the caterpillar. Roll and stick the paper to itself. Now grab your red piece of paper and fold it same as we did before. And now we are going to be cutting two half spheres. When you open them up, make sure that they look like circles. Fix them if you need to. Next, open up your sphere and cut it down the center line. Using your black marker, draw little circles or polka dots for your ladybug's wings. Next, we're going to need to make 4 more eyes. Repeat this process same as we did before. Next, glue the eyes to your ladybug. Now glue the base of your ladybug to your leaf. Lastly, we're going to glue just the corners of the wings onto the ladybug. And here is the ladybugs.